Today I'm going to show you why I think that this Shop-Vac is the best Shop-Vac out there for the money right now. Well, thanks for hanging out today. I sure do appreciate it. Now let's take a look at the Shop-Vac. A couple things we were looking for. We were looking for a good capacity. I was looking for good peak horsepower. And the last thing I was really looking for was a Shop-Vac that had wheels, so it could be mobile. This one seemed to fit the bill, and it was about $100 cheaper than all the other ones that were comparable to this. Believe it or not, we picked this one up for $89 from Menards. 16 gallons, otherwise 60.5 liters. 6.5 peak horsepower. It's got these filters and accessories. Pretty standard stuff there. You can see that it's got the wheels, which is great. We're gonna be taking this all around the shop. We're gonna be using it to suck up dirt and water, depending on the job. And we're gonna be using this as our primary vacuum, basically our only vacuum, to do our detailing for any vehicles that come in. This, of course, is the wet dry vacuum. Since it's powered by SVX2 advanced motor technology, I'm not sure what that means. It says longer motor life. We'll take its word for it. Increased performance, etc. Let's get this box opened up, see what we got. A couple things we'll find here right on top of the box. 2.5 inch diameter. I would assume that's the hose, what it connects to. 8-foot hose by 2.5 inch. Got 2 extension wands. Got a 14-inch wet dry nozzle. You get your foam sleeve for the wet vac. Get your filter bag and your cartridge for the dry vac. A 14-inch brush shoe, 14-inch squeegee shoe. And we got a tool storage bag with a wall hook. I don't think we'll use that, but that's, you know, if you want to use that, that's nice. And we got your crevice tool right here. All right, let's get this opened up. This isn't exactly a typical video that I normally do, but we have just a small 2-stall garage, limited funds, limited space, and if I can share something with you to help you come across a good deal, especially, you know, maybe you're looking for what Shop-Vac, who knows, but I want to be able to share that with you because it's all about doing what you have with, it's all about doing what you can with what you got. And I want you to be able to DIY stuff, etc. So we've got our bag right here. Goes inside, of course. You gotta love these, especially when you get them for a good price. The 8-foot hose right here, otherwise it's often referred to as like the mouse sucker, stuff like that. We've got a little Shop-Vac brand underneath our grip blaster, and works excellent for that. But as far as vacuuming out cars and a lot of dirt and dust, you really need something with the larger diameter hose. So this is gonna be great. We're excited about this. We don't get new toys too often here in the shop. This is gonna be good. Got our extension right here. Another extension right here. $89. Here's our squeegee and here's our brush. Adapter pieces. We do get some water in the shop during the winter when we pull vehicles that are filled with snow in. Melts off and just kind of runs into the corner. This garage isn't big enough that it has a drain. Out comes our Shop-Vac. Right, let's take this off and see what we got on the inside. Definitely got to have our wheels on the inside. Here's our dry filter. Boy, that's locks in there real nice and easy. Not a screw or anything like that. We're gonna leave that in there because that's the one we're gonna be using. Put that right there for the moment. Sit. Got our accessories bag. Got our wet filter screen. Looks like you can take this off. This will suck up a lot of water if we need it to. So we're gonna get the wheels on this. Looks like it just comes apart right here. There we go. Toss this. Missed. One more. Missed that one too. Table's not quite big enough here. Eventually we're gonna try to get a bigger workbench, not a makeshift one. Here's our crevice vacuum cleaner. We got our Shop-Vac manual, wet dry. Shows our caster assembly right there, straightforward. We got a few screws right here, 6 of them. Got our casters bag. Looks like it's got some decent casters. As you can see, you've got, see how this goes here. It's basically this goes on the side. Then you've got 4 rubber or plastic washers. And then this will go right into here. Suppose this is your dumper for water. Dump it right out. That's what the inside looks like. In the back you've got some quick data specs. We'll go ahead and put our motor and our cover back on. We're gonna leave that filter on just like that. This only goes on one way. Snaps, it's in. Cord looks nice and heavy duty in the back, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amp. So right here, you're gonna have a little slot. Slide this in. Then there's gonna be 4 screws that you use to secure this onto this. So we'll just do that right now. Only fits in there one way. This is the bag you use, part number 4202000. These are just gonna be little 8mm. We're gonna go ahead and put the other sides on as well. Then we're gonna put the casters on all at the same time. All right, we've got all 4 little feet on, whatever you wanna call them. We're gonna grab our caster assembly bag. I don't know if it's doesn't really feel like a neoprene. It feels kind of like a plastic washer. It's gonna go right over the wheel shaft there and right in here. Just gonna push it in until it clicks. That's what we want. Another caster, another washer. Snap in. So all in all, this doesn't take much to put together either. That's a nice thing. There we go. Let's get our last caster in there. All right, we're gonna see what all this holds. Let's go ahead and get our hose on. We don't have really big tape here. Woo! So let's get this on here. Both of these ends, they're identical, so it doesn't matter which one you put on the actual vac itself, on the bucket, or on your extensions. One. 2. It's gonna be a little long for what I need, so we'd obviously just probably take it down to 1. Might as well do that right now. A little Shop-Vac bag. We're gonna go ahead and put the welt filter in. This is gonna come in really handy for big water jobs, maybe back trunks, stuff like that. Looks like your extension piece will fit in there. This has got little connectors on it. And actually it'll go on just like this. It'll fit right on there. Interchange it. This has got one on there right now, which will just pop right out. Little bag they give you seems to hold on pretty good. Here's of course the vacuum bag if you want to put it in. We are just going to fold that up one more time. We're going to put it in the Shop-Vac bag. Don't know that we'll use that. And this just secures right up. Remember, this whole thing was under $90 before tax, so Shop-Vac brand, you really can't complain about that. I'm gonna bring in the Jeep Liberty CRD and we're gonna go ahead and vacuum out the inside of this. I'm just gonna show you what it does on the front driver's side, or probably front passenger side, one of those two anyways, and then we'll give it a final review. Well, all right, we got the Jeep Liberty back in the shop here so we can get this front end cleaned out. I picked out the garbage. Oh, missed some in the door there. But this is what it looks like right now. Got some stuff on the seat, lots of stuff on the floor, some stuff underneath, old Dairy Queen spoon or something like that, lots of raisins down there. It's pretty gross. And now that we finally got a Shop-Vac, literally a vacuum in the shop, we should be able to clean this out. Let's get to it. Alright, so I didn't do any scrubbing down of the floor mats or the floors. Didn't bring any detail brushes in or any detergent or anything like that, but as you can see down here, got into the crevices pretty darn well. Could use a detail brush if I want to do a deep clean on this, but as far as sucking up everything, it did a good job. Underneath the seat looks good again. We've got the seats definitely need to be reconditioned, but it sucked everything out of there. Cup holders are all vacuumed out, ready to be wiped down. So overall, I gotta say, it's got definite good suction, and that's what I'm going for. Now, if we were doing a flip car or something like that, I'd obviously be coming over here and I'd be, oh, let's see, where is it? I'd be grabbing our carpet brushes, our detail brushes, etc. We like to use Mothers. We got our glass cleaner down here, all that good stuff. But in this case, this is just our daily driver. We like it, but we're not going to deep clean it today. So that's it. I'm going to put that back in just the way it is. Did vacuum it. When we go to the car wash someday, I'll go ahead and pressure wash it off. Well, thanks so much for hanging out today. I know a Shop-Vac might not be the video you're looking for, but if we can help at least one person out, maybe just to find a good deal, then that's a good victory for us. So that's what we're all about here at Two Stall Garage. Quality work on a budget, budget tools, limited space, you know the drill. Hope you guys have a good day. Check us out on Instagram, Two Stall Garage LLC. Very, very little shop. Check us out on Facebook page if you want to as well. We just got done doing a giveaway there of a $100 Rock Auto gift card. We're gonna do some more giveaways coming up, and that's at Two Stall Garage on Facebook. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.